Have you heard about the new upcoming AI software that might destroy Photoshop? We are talking about DragGAN AI, and today we will show you how to download DragGAN AI. DragGAN allows you to Photoshop images with simple drag control. With this, you have ability to change everything from pose, overexpression to shape of objects. Before we show you how to download it, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. It really means to us. To download it, go to their website. When you scroll down, you will find this code section. Click on it. Download link is announced for June, so you won't be able to download it right now, but you can set reminders so you don't miss it when it comes. Even if it is not already up, you can still like this video. We hope that you aren't disappointed, and until next one, stay motivated. Bye.